In this video, I will walk you through how to use the anchored VWAP on TradingView. Before we begin, if you're not yet a TradingView user, I highly recommend you sign up for their free trial. You can use the link in the description below to get started. To use the anchored VWAP, you must click on the projection toolbar on the left side of the chart. Next, click Anchored VWAP. After you click it, you must click the candle where you want the anchor to be. Generally, you set the anchor point to the highest or lowest point on the chart. You can use the anchored VWAP on any time frame, but most prefer to use it on the daily and weekly time frames. In this example, we will place at the all-time high on the S&P 500 ETF. The anchored VWAP is a great tool to determine support and resistance on any time frame. And that will do it for this video. If you learned something, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.